Hello, word friends, and welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today's word is commit. It's a B1 level verb meaning to carry out or pledge to a course of action. So, what does commit actually mean? Well, simply put, it means to dedicate yourself to something, to promise to do something, or to perform an action, often one that might be difficult or have consequences. In everyday language, we use commit to talk about everything from promising to help a friend to making serious life decisions. For instance, you might commit to exercising 3 times a week, or you might commit to a long-term relationship. Now, let's delve into some synonyms. One word that's very similar to commit is dedicate. You could say, she dedicated her life to helping others, which is quite similar to saying she committed her life to helping others. Another synonym is pledge. Think of it like this: he pledged to support the team, mirroring he committed to supporting the team. We also have devote, as in, they devoted their time to volunteering, just like saying they committed their time to volunteering. Another great synonym is undertake. For example, the company undertook a major project, which is akin to saying the company committed to a major project. Lastly, consider engage with. You could say she engaged in a fundraising activity, which is quite similar to saying she committed to a fundraising activity. Now, what about words that mean the opposite of commit? Let's explore some antonyms. A strong antonym for commit is abandon. Instead of committing to a task, you might abandon it halfway through. For example, they abandoned their plan due to unforeseen circumstances, which is the opposite of committing to their plan. Another antonym is neglect. You can commit to taking care of something, or you can neglect it. Like, he neglected his studies and failed the exam, contrasting with committing to his studies. Another contrasting word is renege. This word means to go back on a promise. Imagine someone committing to a deal, but then reneging on it later. The company reneged on its agreement, illustrating a broken commitment. We also have withdraw. Instead of committing, you can withdraw. For example, she withdrew from the competition, the reverse of committing to participate. Finally, consider abstain. You might commit to participating, or you can abstain. For example, he abstained from voting, showing a lack of commitment to the process. So, how can we use commit in everyday life? Well, think about making promises to friends or family, or about scheduling things in your calendar. You could say, I commit to being there for you, or I commit to finishing this project by Friday. Consider these examples. She is committed to her career, implying a strong dedication. The government committed resources to improving healthcare, indicating an investment of resources. He committed a crime, meaning he performed an illegal act. I commit myself to learning something new every day, showcasing personal growth. We must commit to protecting the environment, highlighting a responsibility. You might hear someone say, "Are you ready to commit?" Meaning, are you ready to dedicate yourself to something? Or someone might say, he's fully committed to the cause, emphasizing their dedication. Consider these phrases. Commit to memory, meaning to memorize something. Commit an error, meaning to make a mistake. Commit to a goal, meaning to dedicate yourself to achieving that goal. To recap, commit means to carry out or pledge to a course of action. We explored synonyms like dedicate, pledge, devote, undertake, and engage with, as well as antonyms such as abandon, neglect, renege, withdraw, and abstain. We discussed how commit is used in everyday life, from making promises to planning your week. That wraps up today's episode of Hello Word. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. Now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word commit and share it in the comment section below. I can't wait to see your creative examples.